Hi, my name is Brian, KPS Global. We're here to talk to you today a little bit about replacement doors. It's a subject that's sometimes a little bit confusing, so I've got two different types of doors here that I want to show you. This is the flush mount. It's characterized by it's even across the face of the panel. This is what we call an inset door. Some in the industry would refer to it as an overlap door. You can see that the edge of the door actually overlaps onto the panel and it sticks out a little bit on the face. And most importantly, we obviously need to know whether it's going to go on a cooler or a freezer. The freezer door will have perimeter heat and a heated sweep. The cooler door will not. The hinge side. The hinge is going to be, if you're standing there looking at the door, we would call this a right hinge. This one, on the other hand, as you're looking at it, we would call left side hinge. One of the other things I do want to point out, we're here at a freezer. This has a panel floor. We would need this dimension right here because we're going to send that door out with a four-sided facer so that the sweep at the bottom of the door has something to seal against. Your threshold will then come out an extra 1.5 inches, but the whole thing is going to be out 1.5 inches. When we talk about needing the dimensions for a replacement door, what we're interested in is the clear opening. Some would call it net opening. When we talk about the clear opening, it's pretty much what you would think. I'm talking about this dimension from here to here. So if I were doing that measurement, I'm at 36 inches. Likewise for the height, 80 inches. The difference on the flush mount door is that you have a profile that has a little offset here. Oftentimes people will send us this dimension thinking that's the clear opening. That's not the case. What I want to know is this dimension from here to here and from here down to the floor. We're going to measure here, we're at 34 inches. Likewise, on the height, you're going to go from here to here, you're going to be at 80 inches. If you want us to supply you with new jam caps, we'll need to know the panel thickness that you're going to mount it on, of the existing walk-in or the existing opening.
Now we've changed out an old inset door with this new inset door. With our new bolt-on doors, you'll have this extra facer right here, and that's by design. Once you got your door leaned up, make sure everything is square, and then you'll bolt it on. And that's all you got to do.